Workshop Wednesday. How are you? I'm good. Back in Texas. I spent last week in the beautiful state of Colorado. They don't like Texans. They remind me every time I go, we don't like Texans. We took money though. They took our money. So all's good. It was nice and cool and rained, and it dang sure was green and pretty, and it is not here in my part of the state of Texas. And I think it's kind of widespread across the state of Texas that we're not getting any rain, but the good Lord will let it rain again one day. And we're gonna patiently wait until that happens and try to stay cool until then. Shop is cool. I'm in the engraving room, engraving, working on a fancy buckle. Pretty excited about that. Get to do a little sculpting, as y'all have seen. I'll give you a preview. Oh, here I got the tip going right now, and then I got it's kind of hard to see. There's a keeper, and this is in the gun world, they call this in the white. So I haven't colored the steel in any shape, form, or fashion at the moment, but no painting, but that's the engraving. And then here's the buckle, and it's this part right here, the center part, that I get to do the sculpting, carrying on. So getting all the fine English scroll out of the way, getting back in the swing of things, and getting my groove on, right? Get my focus going. That's cool. That's going to start today. Just a little bit left on the tip, and away we get going. TCA's there. All my stuff's to the museum. Prices, descriptions, all the cool business. So that's all fun. All's going to be good there. October 1st is sale night. That's Saturday night. September 30th is the preview. That week of the show in Oklahoma City at the National Cowboy Museum. Ernie and I will be doing an engraving workshop, so if you're interested in that, please sign up. The week before that, Matt Humphreys and Troy Flaharty are going to have their little get-together in Spur at Matt's shop, so that'll be fun. And then September 6th through the 9th, I have a bit workshop going. Got 2 signed up. Really could use a couple more, but it's going to happen. Carly Stutz from Art of the Cowgirl is going to be coming, so that's who I'm mentoring this year in the bit class. So she's going to come build her a bit. Got somebody else signed up. So anyhow, it's going to happen. If you're interested in bits, come on. I got 1 signed up for the Spur class in October. Speak now or forever hold your peace. I'm about to cancel that booger if I don't get more. Sign up if you can, and we'll go at it. But if not, then we'll do it again next year maybe. Engraving class again in November. Lots of classes, lots of workshops, and that's the thing going on. And man, there's lots of opportunity to learn and do, and that's awesome. I think that's a wonderful thing. Do have to have demand for the things, or we won't keep doing them. So I'm promoting them here. Y'all spread the word. Otherwise, we're going to go back to doing what I actually want to do, and that's to build this stuff. I enjoy building this stuff. So I don't mind sharing and don't mind, showing you the steps. But if we're not signing up, if it's not fitting the schedule, if it's inconvenient, hey, doesn't have to, don't force it. Doesn't have to. I'm not going to force it. So it's all good. But anyhow, I hope everybody's doing well. Stay cool and enjoy the Workshop Wednesday for you guys, and reaching out and touching and connecting. So y'all got questions, holler at me. Until next time, we will see you then. Adios.